of the season. So the only passengers on right now are actually staff members of Hornblower Niagara Cruises. But we are so excited for our opening day tomorrow. Stay tuned on Facebook Live. Tomorrow morning we'll be launching the first boat at 9 a.m. So you can join us for our first boat of our 4th season. This isn't the earliest actually. We did open April 1st last season. However, April 1st is record breaking for the gorge, so no boat has ever sailed earlier in the gorge than April 1st, and we are so excited to be doing that again this year. This is our 2nd year doing that. And we also hold the record of longest running. Last season we ran from April 1st to December 4th, and that was the longest season ever of any boat tour in the Niagara Gorge, which, just for reference, boat tours in the Niagara Gorge have been happening for over 170 years. So we're pretty stoked to be able to hold that record. So again, for anyone just tuning in, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., our first boat set sails of our 2017 season, and we will be broadcasting live from that here on Facebook. So tune in tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to join us on our very first boat season of 2017. We are super excited about that. We can't wait to share this amazing season with you. We did. It was kind of crazy last year until December 4th. You know, looking back now, it was kind of cold, but luckily here on our Hornblower boats, we have beautiful glass enclosures. You can see all the glass here that's actually completely heated, so you can enjoy being on the boat without having to necessarily get wet like I am. Shout out to Heather. Thank you for joining us. Alright guys, this is just kind of a sneak peek. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a little bit more sunshine. Again, I will be broadcasting live here on Facebook 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, so join us for our very first guest boat tour of the season. Yes, very good idea. The glass enclosure is key. I unfortunately don't get to enjoy it very much because I always want to be out here sharing the experience with you guys, but it's awesome for the guests. Your daughter's birthday for Easter. Melissa, that's amazing. Melissa, if you haven't purchased your tickets already, consider joining up or doing our Humans of Hornblower contest. If you search here on Facebook, #Humans of Hornblower, we are giving away free tickets all year long for a VIP boat tour experience. So if you enter that, you're definitely going to want to, for the chance to make your daughter's birthday even more exciting. So thank you so much, Melissa, for sharing that with us, and hopefully we see you either way, but we'd love to maybe get you some free tickets. So, all right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me, and again, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., here on Facebook Live from Hornblower Niagara Cruises' very first sailing of the season. We are so pumped. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.